Okay, we're here. We just got to fix the GPS and the depth finder a little bit. It's not reading me depth, but I think we're about 110 feet. And nobody was up this morning. Nobody wanted to try the waves like we had yesterday. Tucker, stop knocking that. Okay. Anyway, 2 to 3 foot rollers yesterday. I'll show you a clip of that. That was crazy. And let's try it. I also lost my favorite lure, the one that's been catching everything this year so far. So a little disappointed, and I don't know, somewhere went my point of view hat. So this is all you're gonna get today. Hopefully we can bring something in though, okay? Let's do this. Okay, well, nothing in the first hour. No knockoffs, nothing, just one spot we found some bait fish. But there must be something good here, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and us 6 boats here. So I'm gonna try somewhere else though, because I don't see anybody standing up in their boats either. All right, let's go. So nobody else out here. I left 6 boats to come to a spot where there's no one. We'll see. Not sure, but we have a fish on. Look at that. Didn't even know. Popped right away. I mean, it didn't pop, but it was bouncing, so I'm thinking Laker. Not giving much of a fight. There it is. Let's get her in. Got ourselves a good size eater Laker. Guess there's no harm in checking. Just have to redo everything. No. Oh well, gets the juices flowing for the morning. Nope, we got a fish! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at that! There she is! Are you kidding me? I gotta pay attention to those bops. I think this is gonna be really small, my guess. Still on? Another Laker. Oh, don't go under the motor. Yeah. Another good eater. All right, so that's 2. Oh, looks like there might be a boat out in salmon land, so let's make our way over there and see if we can pull something up there. Well, that pop-off was nothing, but could be a good sign. All right, we're back down. No ticky, no laundry. We got a ticky, let's get the laundry. We got something, baby. I'm thinking this is a salmon. Oh yeah, baby, yes. See that? Top of the water. No monster, but come on, don't get off, don't get off. Come on, baby. Come on, hang on. Salmon number 1. Woo! Okay, so you just saw me bring in that last salmon. Again, not a monster. Nothing that we caught today was monsters, but you know what? They're all great eaters. So, 2 Laker, 1 salmon. We're gonna wrap it up and head back home. My good luck charm. Oh, Tucker, the mini doodle. Did you like that? No fish laps today, eh? Okay. All right, good luck on the water. Always be safe. See you next time.